Hello everyone, we are now on Adventure of the Seas and I am doing a room tour. Walking towards our room from the elevator to our room. It is our first time having an ocean view room on deck 2 and I am not sure what to expect.
Once again, we certainly hope you're ready to have a great vacation. Just to let you know again, the staterooms are now open.
My first impression of the room is the small size and the large amount of sunshine filtering into the room, which is great. A telephone and side tables with drawers and lampshade on both sides of the bed. Two switches on the lamp, one for the brighter light and the other for the reading light, which can be adjusted to your preferred angle. You can maximize the walking space by requesting to separate the two beds prior to boarding. The walking space can be a bit cramped for guests of a larger build. A TV set on the desk, some storage space in the top shelvings, and a safe deposit box. A chair and an armchair. A lighting fixture above the armchair. Our room is a connecting room. For drawers on both sides of the desk and a hairdryer is provided. A mini fridge to keep things cool. Two US electrical outlets on the left side of the desk. On the right side, there is another EU electrical outlet and a music channel come emergency alert channel. Some information for the day and our diamond tier benefits and diamond pins. The thermostat for controlling the room temperature. Hangers in the wardrobe, shelvings and life jackets. Let's take a look at the bathroom area. The amount of standing space is okay. A bar of soap is provided. Additional storage space for toiletries in the side mirror. Towels and hanging racks. A quick look at the shower area. A clothes line, toiletries holder, handlebar, 2-in-1 liquid shampoo and shower gel combined. A removable shower head, which I prefer rather than a fixed one. If you are of bigger build, this shower area space might be too tight for you. The tap water flow is slightly weak. The shower runs pretty good. Two sliding curved doors. On windy days, the sea can get a bit rough and looking outside the porthole makes me a bit giddy at times. The fast-moving waves seems to be on the same level as our room. On beautiful sunny days, you get to enjoy the great views. Would you consider booking this category of room? For a short 6-day cruise with 4 port days and sailing on the Caribbean seas, which usually has calmer waters, this is doable for us. Thank you for watching.